Bulldog face, part 2. Okay, so this next step, we're going to take this lip right here, the top of the nose, put it over the edge of your anvil, and flatten it down. Okay, bring that nose right up to the edge of your anvil. That's what we got so far. Now we're going to start pulling out these ears. Okay, this next heat, we're going to start drawing out the ears. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You can do it at the anvil, at the edge of the anvil. So imagine this is your anvil. Put what is going to be the ear, so put a corner, find a good angle, and hit just the ear. Turn it around. Find the matching angle on the other side, do the same. These are going to a customer, well, not these, this is my scrap piece, but the ones in the forge that we're working on. So I'm going to use a fullering tool, just a simple fuller. And I made this out of spring steel. And that'll create like a triangle really right here where you can put the eyes, and it'll isolate the material for the ears. So let's get to it. Find your angle. Wanting to make like a footprint first. Yep, that's where we want to be. Okay. Once these get established, I'll probably use a pair of tongs to hold this fuller. Okay, we're still working on these ears. What we got so far. I went ahead and took another heat off camera, but that's what we have so far. And you can leave these ears as is, but I think on this one I'm going to draw them out, flatten them out, and fold them over on themselves, but that happens at a later step. So right now we have this area right here, that triangle I was telling you about. Now you have a place to put your eyes. Okay, we're going to start putting the eyeballs in. But for this type of eye, you're going to need an eyeball punch. If you don't have one or you don't know how to make one, put it in the comment section and I'll make a video explaining how to make one. I'm not going to make one from scratch because I have several. But they're relatively easy to make. If you don't have one, but you have the old Harbor Freight punch and chisel set, you can make a zombie dog or a spooky version and basically make a skull face instead of the more goofy, detailed face. So I'm working on 2 of them. This is after 2 heats. There's the eyes, what we got so far. In the next video, we'll do the nose, the mouth, the collar, draw out the ears, and do the pupils. So be looking for the next part.